this video is intended for those who are preparing for TOPIK exam, particularly TOPIK level 3. No, kasi this problem is from TOPIK level 3 actual examination. Okay, so para po doon sa mga pumasa na ng EPS TOPIK and also sa mga nakapasa na ng TOPIK tapos level 2 na gustong mag-upgrade ng kanilang Korean skills, so you may try this video guys. No, so from now on I will be uploading TOPIK related problems as well as EPS TOPIK, but for this time TOPIK related problems muna guys, no, kasi there are followers na nag-request din sa akin personally na mag-upload din ng TOPIK. Okay, so we will start first with TOPIK level 3. So for the information of everybody, TOPIK level 3 is intermediate Korean. So by the way, TOPIK is different from EPS TOPIK kasi yung EPS TOPIK, yun po yung exam ng mga tatrabaho dito sa South Korea in manufacturing sector. However, the TOPIK exam is hindi po siya pang manufacturing. So TOPIK has different usages tulad ng if you want to study here in Korea sa mga university. So isa sa mga requirements ng university is yung TOPIK certificate at least level 3 or level 4. Okay, so TOPIK exam has 6 levels. So TOPIK level 1 and level 2 beginner Korean. Okay, TOPIK level 3 and TOPIK level 4, that is intermediate, and TOPIK level 5 and TOPIK level 6, yung pinakamataas, yun po yung advanced level. Okay, so but for this time we will be focusing first on TOPIK level 3. So we will start with TOPIK level 3. So nasa middle tayo ngayon guys. Okay, so shall we start? So the instruction here is 다음 글을 읽고 내용과 같은 것을 고르십시오. Okay, so 같은 것 guys, so just like in EPS TOPIK exam, it just means correct statement. So meaning you have to find the correct statement dito sa choices. Although in the actual examination you need to answer it quickly, but what we are going to do in this video guys is we will take our time kasi nagpa-practice pa lang tayo. Okay, so let's start. First sentence, 한국 도로공사가 최근 졸음 운전과의 전쟁을 발표했다. Okay, so 한국도로공사. So 한국도로공사 guys, 한국 Korea, then 도로 it means road and 공사 means construction. So 공사하다 to construct. Okay, so 한국도로공사 literally means Korean road construction. Okay, so yun yung literal meaning niya guys, but it is one of the institutions here in Korea, and yung pangalan talaga niya guys is Korean Expressway Corporation. So it is equivalent to DPWH. No, yung function niya po is isa sa mga function niya is it ensures the safety in the public highways. Also road widening programs, mga ganun yung mga projects na related sa highways. So isa na rin doon is yung safety. So kumbaga para siyang DPWH sa atin, Korean Expressway Corporation. Okay, so 한국도로공사가 최근, recently, kamakailan, 졸음 운전. Okay, so combination ng 졸음 guys means sleepiness or drowsiness, no, yung pagkaantok, and then 운전 means yes, driving. So 졸음 운전 means drowsy driving. So let's call it drowsy driving. Yung ibig sabihin lang naman niya guys is yung habang nag-drive ka, inaantok ka. Okay, so maraming case na ganun, no? Maraming nakaka-relate nito guys. Lalo na pag galing sa inuman. Okay, so 전쟁을 발표했다. Okay, so itong gwa pala, so it just means with in this context, no? So 과에. Okay, so 졸음 운전과에. Okay, so it just means guys with drowsy driving. Okay, 전쟁을, okay, 전쟁 means war, and then 발표했다. Okay, 발표했다. So 발표하다, which means to present. So it has a lot of meanings. Pwedeng to present, to announce, okay? So to declare. So it can be in this context to declare or to announce war with drowsy driving. So meaning guys, itong Korean Expressway Corporation, they have declared war para sugpuin yung, para mabawasan yung case ng drowsy driving, no? Kasi it is very dangerous. Okay, so it can lead to accident and it can also lead to death. So 그래서 졸음 운전에, okay, so 졸음 운전. So 그래서 guys, that is why. So kaya 졸음 운전. So 졸음 운전 yung drowsy driving. So 위험성. Okay, so 위험성. Okay, 위험 guys means dangerous, and song. So if you say 위험성, it means dangerosity or danger or risk, no? So yung pagkadelikado niya. Okay, so 위험성 yung pagkadelikado. Pagkadelikado daw ng drowsy driving. Okay, so 알리는 문구를. Okay, 알리는 guys means 알리다. Okay, 알리다, which means to notify, no, to inform. Okay, then 문구. Okay, 문구. So 문구 means yung phrase, yung sulat, yung mga nakasulat guys. Okay, yung written statement, no, yung mga nakasulat, yung phrase. Okay, so meaning phrase or yung mga nakasulat daw na nag-notify or nag-i-inform ng kadelikaduhan ng drowsy driving. Okay, so 눈에, okay, 눈, mata, eyes. Okay, then sa mata or in the eyes. Okay, 눈에 잘 means well. Then tida. So yung tinan guys, it comes from, yung verb natin dyan is tida, which means to float, lumitaw. Okay, yun yung literal na meaning niya guys. So lumitaw ng maayos sa mata. Okay, yung literal niya, no? So 눈에 잘 tida. But it just means guys, if you say 눈에 잘 tida, it means to be noticeable. Okay, so madaling makita. Okay, that's the thought, no? Madaling makita. Noticeable. Okay, 곳에. Okay, so 튀는 곳에. Okay, so 곳에 guys, 곳 means yung place, 곳. Okay, in the place, no? So meaning sa place daw na noticeable. Okay, 모두. Okay, 모두. Okay, means all, lahat. Then 붙였다. 붙였다, which means to attach, to be attached, ganun. So to be posted, no, ma-post. So nai-attach na daw or naidikit na daw, ganun, nai-post na daw lahat sa lugar na noticeable. Yung mga nakasulat na nagpapaalam, nagno-notify ng kadelikaduhan ng drowsy driving. Okay, so that's the thought of number 2. Number 3, 도로공사에 따르면. Okay, so 도로공사에 따르면. So 도로공사 guys, yung Korean Expressway Corporation. So 따르면. Okay, so grammatical structure, which means according to. Okay, so 도로공사에 따르면, which means according to Korean Expressway Corporation. 최근. Okay, 최근 means recently, and 운영, okay, 운영간, okay, means itong union guys, it means 5 years. So if you put gan together, so 운영간, it means for 5 years. Okay, for 5 years. 연평균. Okay, so 연평균 means, okay, 연평균 means yung average. Okay, 180명. Okay, 180명이, so 180 ka tao daw yung 졸음 운전으로. Okay, so it means guys yung drowsy driving, then 으로 인한. So yun yung magkasama dyan. So 으로 인하다, which means due to. Okay, due to drowsy driving daw. 교통사고로. Okay, 교통사고. 교통사고, which means road accident. and 사망했다고 한다. Okay, so 사망하다 yung verb natin dito guys, naka past tense, no? 사망하다, which means it has the same thought with 죽다, to die. Okay, mamatay. Okay, so tago handa guys, quotation, so it just means they said, no, in this context, or sabi nila, or sabi ng, sino nagsabi? Sabi ng Korean Express Corporation, yun po, no, 투루공사에 따르면 may namatay daw dahil sa accident, dahil sa yung drowsy driving. 180 katao yung average sa loob ng 5 taon. Okay, that's the thought. And that is according to Korean Expressway Corporation. Okay, so may nakita tayong 5 years na sinasabi dito sa choice number 3. Okay, and meron ding 180, okay, katao. So meaning we can compare this sentence. Okay, so sentence number 3 can be compared to choice number 3. So let's see if they are match, no? Kung tama ba yung thought or same ba yung thought nila. Okay, so again, sabi sa number 3 na sentence, according to Korean Express Corporation, may namatay daw dahil sa accident, no? Dahil sa drowsy driving. 180 katao yung average sa loob ng 5 taon. Okay, so yun po yung sabi sa number 3 na sentence. Sabi sa number 3 choice naman, 최근 운영간, okay, so recently for 5 years, 교통사고로, okay, so due to or through the road accident, 사망한 사람, okay, yung namatay na tao, okay, so dead person, okay, so yon 평균, yung average daw is 180, 180명이다, okay, so 180 daw katao yung average ng mga tao na namatay dahil sa accident sa loob ng 5 taon. Yun po yung ibig sabihin ng number 3. Okay, so tricky guys, no? Kasi yung sinasabi dito sa number 3 dahil sa drowsy driving, specific siya. Okay, dito sa number 3 naman dahil sa road accident, and we know there are different types of road accident. Pwede yung drinking while driving, pwede yun. Kumbaga aksidente ka dahil nagmalfunction yung sasakyan or may nasagasaan ka. So it has different types, no, of road accidents. So itong 180 na sinasabi sa sentence number 3, that is for different types na kasi hindi naka-specific. Whereas dito sa number 3 na sentence sa paragraph, naka-specific siya na yung 180 is dahil lang po yan sa drowsy driving. Okay, so which is hindi siya medyo tugma. Okay, so leave muna natin yung number 3 guys. So it might not be the best answer. Okay, so let's look at pa, no? So let's look more. Okay, sentence number 4, 그동안 방송을 통해. Okay, so 방송. Okay, 방송 guys, yung broadcast. 을 통해, it has the same thought with 로. Okay, so it just means through. Okay, so through the broadcast daw or through broadcasting, 방송을 통해. Okay, so campaign. Okay, campaign을 벌였지만. Okay, so campaign mean yung kampanya, campaign. Okay, campaign을 벌이다. Okay, which means to open a campaign or magpasimuno ng kampanya, ganun. So 벌였지만, naka-past tense, 벌였다. Okay, then nag-open daw sila ng kampanya, 지만, but, pero, 그다지 효과가 없었는데. Okay, so 그다지 guys, it means very or really. It has the same thought with 너무, 아주. However, 그다지, it is usually followed by negative verb. Okay, so in this context, it just means really, no? So 효과, okay, 효과, which means yung effect, efficacy, yung effect, epekto. And then 없었다. Okay, 없었는데, 없었다, wala. So there's no really effect. Okay? 그다지 효과가 없었는데. So wala daw effect. Walang epekto daw yung campaign na inopen nila. Okay? So they opened the campaign through broadcasting. However, there's no really effect. Okay? It's not really effective. Yun yung thought niyan. 이번에 이번에 하는 대대적인 광고는 okay. So 이번에 이번 guys means this time. Okay, so 이번에 하는, so naka-modifier form, so it means yung ginagawa. So yung ginagawa daw ngayon na ano, 대대적인. Okay, 대대적, which means large scale or yung malawakan. So malawakan na 광고. Okay, 광고 means advertisement. 효과가 있을 것으로 기대된다. Okay, so 효과 again yung effect, then 있다, which means to have, and then 있을 것으로 기대된다. Okay, 기대된다, 기대되다, which means to be expected. Okay, so it is expected daw that there will be effect sa advertisement daw, sa large scale advertisement, yung malawakang advertisement na ginagawa sa ngayon. Okay, that's the thought of the last sentence. Okay, so 이번에 하는 대대적인 광고는 효과가 있을 것으로 기대된다. Okay, yun po yung thought niyan. Okay, ngayon guys, isa-isahin natin itong mga choices, no? So mag-take note po kayo ng mga vocabs na hindi niyo alam. Okay, so alam na natin itong paragraph. Okay, na-analyze na natin siya ng mabuti. So number 1, 이번에 시행하는 campaign. Okay, so this time 이번에 시행하다. Okay, 시행하다 is to enforce or to implement. Okay, yung ini-implement na campaign. Okay, yung kampanya daw na ini-implement this time. 성공. Okay, so 성공을 바라고 있다. Okay, 성공 guys, 성공 is yung success, then 바라다, which means to hope. No, so they are hoping for the success. Then kuita, present progressive tense. So basic Korean, that means ing lang. Okay, so 바라고 있다 means they are wishing, hoping. So they are hoping for the success of the campaign that is being implemented this time. Yun po yung thought ng number 1. Okay. So tama po kaya ito guys. Okay, so dito sa last part, 이번에 하는 대대적인 광고는. Okay, so itong large scale advertisement guys, it is one of the campaign na ginagawa ngayon. Okay? So we can say that this is the recent na ginagawa nila ngayon. Okay? So, 시행하는 campaign. Okay? Itong 대대적인. So, yung sabi dito sa paragraph, 효과가 있을 것으로 기대된다. So, they are expecting that there will be effect. Dito sa number 1, they are hoping for the success. So, they have the same thought, no? So, they are hoping for the success. They are expecting that there will be effect. So that is why guys, we can say that number 1 is the closest compared to number 3, no? So mas tama yung thought ng number 1 dito. Okay. So for now, let's leave number 1. So number 1 is yung may mataas na chance na siya yung magiging sagot natin. Okay. So leave muna natin yun guys. Number 2. Okay, 졸음 운전을 예방하는 방송 캠페인을 벌일 예정이다. 졸음 운전을, okay, so yung drowsy driving, 예방하는 방송. Okay, so 예방하다 is to prevent. So 방송 campaign. So yung broadcast campaign 벌일 예정이다. So again, campaigner 벌이다, which means to open a campaign. Magpasimula or mag-open ng kampanya. And then, 릴 예정이다, which means scheduled to. Okay, so it is used guys kapag plano or nakaschedule gawin yung isang bagay. Okay, so meaning related siya sa future. Okay, so meaning guys, nakaschedule daw na mag-open ng campaign or broadcast campaign na magpre-prevent sa drowsy driving. Sinong nakaschedule na maggawa ng ganyang kampanya? Yung Korean Express National Highway, kasi siya yung topic dito. Siya yung subject. Mali guys, kasi gumagawa na po sila ngayon ng campaign. Okay? So, naka-ongoing na po yung campaign. Okay? Kasi sabi sa number 2, Porilyeongida, which means gagawin pa lang, naka-schedule pa lang. In which dito sa paragraph, campaigner Poryotjiman. Okay, so nag-open na daw sila ng campaign. Okay, so that is why mali yung number 2. Okay, and number 4, 한국도로공사는, okay, 한국도로공사는 yung Korean Expressway Corporation, 졸음운전. Okay, so yung drowsy driving, 예방 is prevention, then in the prevention. Okay. 소극적인 태도를 취하고 있다. Okay, so 소극적인. Okay, so 소극적 guys, it is passive, no? It means passive. Okay, so yung kabaliktaran niya is 적극적. Okay, so 적극적, which means active. So when we say passive, let's say for example in the classroom, kapag passive yung attitude mo, meaning hindi ka nagpa-participate. Kabaliktaran is yung active, 적극적. Okay, 소극적인 태도. 태도 is attitude, then 취하고 있다. So 취하다, okay, alone has its own meaning, but kapag pinares mo yung 태도를 취하다, which means to take an attitude. Okay, so yung Korean Expressway Corporation daw, they take passive attitude, no, in the prevention of drowsy driving. So it just means guys na passive yung Korean Expressway Corporation, meaning parang hindi sila kumbaga nakikialam, no, with regards to drowsy driving. So mali po guys, no, kasi in the paragraph they opened a campaign, tapos yung na-open nila na una is walang effect, so that is why they came up with new campaign, which is yung 대대적인 광고, yung large scale advertisement. Okay, and they're expecting na magiging effective ito. So that is why they are taking 적극적인 태도 or yung active attitude. So mali yung number 4, kabaliktaran yung sinasabi. Okay, so we can say guys that number 1 yung tamang sagot dito. Okay, so it has the same thought with one of the sentences dito sa paragraph. So medyo tricky po siya guys, kasi it's intermediate, no? And in the topic exam, ganun po siya ka-tricky. Lalo na kapag akit ka ng level 4, level 5, at saka level 6, talagang napakahirap na sa part na yun, very tricky na. Okay, so hindi na siya basta-basta nadadala lang ng match, ganun. Okay, so meaning you really need a lot of time for you to be able to analyze it well.